Hello everybody. Before creating professional Revit project, we need to understand two things. First is level and second is grid. In this video, I will tell you what they are, why they are used and how to create them step by step. So let's start. Levels are horizontal plane, act as a reference for height for the main components like floor, walls, ceiling to the building. To create levels, we'll go to any of elevation, then in architecture tab, in the datum we will select the level, then we'll select the line. Now you can see the cursor is activated. I can just click anywhere and start drawing the levels. Now you can see there is no any height mentioning. To add heights, we'll select to the level, we'll change its type. Now you can see the level and the level name is mentioned here. Now you would have observed one thing, the level which we have created now, it is black and white in color, while the level which are created by default, they are blue in color. It's because the level it is not added in the floor plan. To add them in the floor plan, we'll go to view tab, then from view tab we'll select plan view, then floor plan. Now we will select the level which we have created and then we'll hit OK. Now you can see the floor plan is added in the project view. If levels are not properly organized, floor may shift, walls may get incorrect height and the model become difficult to manage. That's why professional BIM project always starts with proper level. Let me show you. You can see walls are connected to the levels. Notice how the wall automatically connects between two levels. Now let's understand about grids. Grids are reference line used to organize structural and architectural elements. In the real project, column, walls and structural system are aligned using grids. Now to create grids, we'll go to architecture tab. Now from datum, we will select the grid. Now we are having two options. First one is by line and second is by pick plane. For now we are using line, or you can just use pick line command if you have the reference CAD. For now we are using the line. Also Revit understand the sequencing for numbering as well as alphabet. You just need to type one value and Revit will make it continue. Now let me show you how grids and level works together. Firstly, I will go to any plan view. Then I will draw the wall using these grids. Okay, you can see how it works now. Now you understand the basic of levels and grids. In the next video, we will learn about staircase and railing. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more BIM and Revit tutorials. Thank you.